Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing really well and having a wonderful day. आज एक बार फिर से मैं आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ स्किन केयर के बारे में. आई एम श्योर कि आपने ऐसे बहुत से लोग देखे होंगे who are genetically blessed with a beautiful skin. फिर चाहे वो कुछ भी खाएं या अपनी स्किन पे कुछ लगाएं या ना लगाएं, उनकी स्किन हमेशा अच्छी दिखती है because of good genes. But there are many others who need to take proper care of their skin and follow a skincare routine for healthy glowing skin. It gets even more complicated if you have concerns like acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, melasma or anything of that sort. So today I am going to share with you my updated morning skincare routine. I am also going to give you the options of different products for all the different skin types. Towards the end of the video, I will share with you a bonus tip which will help you maintain a healthy skin throughout your life. So make sure that you stay tuned. And now without further ado, let's get into today's video. Hi, I am Dr. Jayashree Ramana. I am a scientist, a nutritionist and also a skincare enthusiast. And in this space, I talk about science-backed skincare, hair care and all other health and beauty related content. If you love to watch such content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't you forget to tap that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. So friends, now I'm going to start with my morning skincare routine, which is obviously very simple and effective. क्योंकि मॉर्निंग में हम सबको बहुत हरी होती है, हम सब ने अपने ऑफिस में पहुंचना होता है या फिर यूनिवर्सिटी में कॉलेज में जाना होता है, इसलिए हम मिनिमम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट नीड्स टू बी इफेक्टिव इनफ. इट शुड प्रोवाइड इनफ सन प्रोटेक्शन. So the first step in my morning skincare routine is obviously a face wash or a cleanser. Now many people prefer to just wash with water, but personally I feel that my skin gets a good feel if I use a face wash. And one of my favorites, in fact I have many favorites in face washes, but one of my favorites which I have talked about earlier is from the Oral Derma company. This is called Yelaze or Bylace, whatever you wanna call it. This is a really good face wash. It works for all the skin types but is best suited for normal to combination skin. It is water based and it has sodium lauryl sarcosinate. Sodium lauryl sarcosinate is a much milder surfactant than sodium lauryl sulfate, so it does not strip your skin of its natural moisture. When you apply the face wash to your skin, make sure that you leave it on for a moment, for a minute or so. Let all the ingredients work their magic onto your skin so that you really feel clean and smooth on your skin. And this really does its job very well. It leaves your skin soft, supple, does not dry it, and I truly love this face wash. So this is one for normal to combination. You can use it even if you have acne, it's not going to break you out. Another one which I really love, which is especially suited for dry skin, is one from Cetaphil. It's Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance. Now this is glycerin based, and glycerin, as you know, is a humectant, which basically means it attracts water from the atmosphere. It helps to lock in the moisture, so it's not going to dry your skin at all. इसके अलावा इसमें कुछ फैटी एसिड्स हैं जैसे कि स्टीयरिक एसिड, मिरिस्टिक एसिड, तो ये आपकी स्किन को और ड्राई नहीं करेगा. इनफैक्ट ये आपकी स्किन को और सॉफ्ट बनाएगा, सपल बनाएगा. You will really get a good feel when you try this face wash. So you can use it even if you have normal skin, but I think this is best suited for dry skin and it does its job well. I mean, this is a must take product for dry skin. Now if you have oily skin which is really acne prone and you get a lot of oil, especially because nowadays it's a humid climate and I'm sure many people with oily skin are looking for something that can remove the excess oil and reduce that shininess, the open pores. So for that purpose, I have this face wash, Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. It's a nice face wash. It is again glycerin based, so it is not going to strip your skin of its natural moisture. When you apply it, leave it on for a moment, for a minute, and let it work its magic, and it will really help you keeping your skin clean and removing all the dirt and the grime. There is another one that I love, that is from Simple, that is Simple Foaming Face Wash. Again, it's a very gentle cleanser. It works for all skin types, and if you have dry skin, then Simple is again a very is one of the best choices that you can make. So now coming to the next step, which is obviously a serum. I have used several serums in the past, but currently I stick to one of my favorites, which is the niacinamide serum. You know, niacinamide is a holy grail ingredient in the skincare industry because it works to improve your skin in many ways. And if you have the concern of open pores, then you must give a try to the niacinamide serum. इसके अलावा अगर आपको डार्क स्पॉट्स की प्रॉब्लम है या आपकी स्किन को रेड हो जाती है एंड यू नीड टू काम इट डाउन, या फिर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली है, आप उसकी शाइन रिड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, यू नो लाइक इट गेट्स टू शाइनी ड्यूरिंग द ह्यूमिड climate, in that case also you must use the niacinamide serum. I have reviewed the niacinamide serum in great detail. In case you have not yet watched that video, I will link it up in the description box as well as the iCard above. This is the one that I am currently using. This is from The Ordinary. This is the 60 ml version, and as I have already stated, it makes my skin really soft and supple, and it keeps my pores shrunken. If you use it regularly, I'm sure you will benefit a lot from it. If you don't want to go for the Ordinary because some people find it pricey, then you can also try the one from Minimalist. I have reviewed that one as well in one of my previous videos, which I just talked about. But just remember that if you're using the one from Minimalist, it is aloe vera based, and if you're allergic to aloe vera, then no to Minimalist, and you must then go for the Ordinary only because this is a really good serum. And now let us come to the next step, which is obviously a moisturizer. Now there are many moisturizers that I love, but in the morning I prefer to have something which would keep the moisture locked in for several hours, because then I'm stepping out of the house and I'm not going to moisturize again until the evening routine. So the one that I'm currently using is from Bioderma. It's called Bioderma Cerium Hydra. It works really well for oily or combination skin, and it does not give you any breakouts. It's one of the best moisturizers if you have acne breakouts or anything. Now it is a little pricey for the quantity that it offers. It's only 40 ml and the price is around 1100 to 1200. So I have other options for you. Now this is based on, this has one of the ingredients is, it's water based, but one of the ingredients is mineral oil. Mineral oil is kind of controversial ingredient in the skincare community, but let me tell you that mineral oil is not bad for your skin, especially at the concentrations that they use in the skincare products. It is completely safe. In fact, it forms a kind of thin film or layer on your skin, and it helps to keep the moisture locked down to your skin so that it stays on for so many hours, which is really a plus point. It is acting as an occlusive. तो इसलिए मुझे ये मॉइस्चराइज़र बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इससे कोई भी ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं होते हैं, बट इट डज हैव फ्रेगरेंस. सो इफ़ यू आर सेंसिटिव टू फ्रेगरेंस देन स्टे अवे फ्रॉम इट, but if you are looking for something really good and nice, this is one of the best moisturizers that I have come across. Bioderma products are really good, especially for the sensitive skin. Now if you have oily or combination skin and you don't want to go for Bioderma, then the next option for you is Exela. I had used this product for a pretty long time. It's a nice moisturizer, but these days I don't use it, but it's a really good one. If you're using this one, you don't have to use the niacinamide serum separately because it has loads of niacinamide. The second ingredient in this one is niacinamide, which I just described. So this is really nice. If you have oily skin, it gives you very smooth feel, matte feel, and it's good. Now if you have dry skin, then there is another option for you. In that case, you can go for Bioderma Ectoderm Creme. It's a really nice moisturizer. I use it on my hands and it makes me feel really soft, makes my skin really soft and supple. But if you have dry skin on your face, you can definitely try this one. There is another one. If you have normal skin and you don't want to go for Bioderma products, then there is another good option, which is Clinique. Clinique is a little expensive, but it is really worth the price. It lives up to the claims it makes. It keeps the moisture in your skin for several hours together, and it does its job. I mean, you can use it even as a primer before you apply your makeup. It is gel based and it does its job very nicely. If you don't want to go for Clinique because it is a little expensive, then another option for you is Neutrogena. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Again, it's like a gel, just like Clinique. I don't think it has any flaws as compared to Clinique. Both are almost the same, and it also keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated for several hours together. So this is again another choice for you if you have normal skin. So now coming to the next step in my skincare routine, which is obviously a sunscreen or a sunblock. And this is the most important step in any skincare routine. In my personal experience, it's a really tough job to find the best or the perfect sunscreen. क्योंकि किसी सनस्क्रीन से वाइट कास्ट रह जाता है, किसी से ग्रीजीनेस हो जाती है, स्पेशली इन दिस ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट, किसी से ब्रेकआउट्स हो जाते हैं, क्लॉग्ड पोर्स हो जाते हैं, किसी से इनफ प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलती है, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. I mean, the issues around sunscreens are endless. But finally, I have found one sunscreen which works really great for me. I keep on hunting for so many actually. But I have recently found the one from Isden. It's called Isden Photo Protector Fusion Water. The sunscreen works really great because of its formulation. The earlier formula, which is this one, was a combination of chemical and physical filters. And it claimed that it does not sting eyes and it lives up to its claims. But recently they have introduced a new formulation which has a packaging like this, and it is working equally great for my skin. It has an SPF of 50. It offers protection from UVA as well as UVB. It does not have any PA rating if you are concerned about that. It is oil-free, dry touch, and it also claims that it does not irritate eyes. However, in my personal experience, I have found that it does have a little irritating effect on my eyes because of the presence of Octrilin as one of the major ingredients. आपको पता होगा Octrilin एक बहुत अच्छा chemical filter है, but बहुत सारे लोगों को eyes में irritation होती है because of Octrilin. So मैं इस sunscreen को अपने पूरे face पर apply करती हूँ, but I leave my eye area as such. And for the protection of eye area, I just wear the eye shades, and that's all that I do. But it works really nicely on the rest of my face. I have observed that whenever I step out into the sun with any other sunscreen, my skin does become a little red even before I reach the office. But with this sunscreen, I felt that there is absolutely no redness throughout the day, and it works really great on my skin even if I am in the sun for a few hours. इसलिए मुझे ये सनस्क्रीन बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I can recommend this without any reservation. This is a little pricey. It comes at a price of 1980 for 50 ml, but I think it is worth the price because it really does the job. It offers very high protection from the sun. At least for my skin it does. You can give it a try. I am sure it would work for you too. Now there is another sunscreen that I have been loving these days, and that is called Lactocalamine Daily Sunshield. This is a more affordable option, but this has an overpowering smell. So if you are concerned about the scent and if you really want to stay away from that, this is not a good option. Isden does not have a overpowering scent kind of feeling, but you can really smell it from a distance. So if you are concerned about that, then stay away from this one. Besides that, I have another video in which I reviewed 15 or 16 sunscreens, and if you are looking for something other than, another sunscreen, you can go back and watch that video. I will link it up in the description box as well as here. Last but not the least, I follow my entire skincare routine so far with a lip balm. Do you know that lips also require as much care as the rest of your skin? So make sure that you use a lip balm whichever you love. Personally, I love the one from Juicy Chemistry. It's called Blood Orange and Rosehips. There are many other versions of lip balms in Juicy Chemistry, but this is the one that I love, and it really does its job well. It keeps my lips soft and moisturized for several hours, and I really love this lip balm. It is based on all the organic products, all the natural products. It does not have any preservatives, which is why I love this one the most. There is another one that I love, which is from the Body Shop. It's called the Body Shop Hemp. If you have very dry or chapped lips, you can try this one as well. This also does its job of keeping the skin, keeping your lips soft, moisturized and nice to touch. Now coming to the bonus tip for today. So with all the skincare products that I described so far, I would like to tell you that the best way to maintain a healthy and youthful skin throughout life is to eat a well-balanced, nutritious diet. Make sure that you are not deficient in any nutrients. Take the supplements if the need be. Also work on your food allergies if you have any, so that you are not deficient in any nutrients and you can eat a wide variety of foods. Keep exercising, don't let go of your beauty sleep, let that glow come from within, because there is no skin product made in the world which can surpass the glow that comes from inner happiness and peace. I wish that you achieve the best skin and the best health of your life. So I hope you enjoyed watching and found some useful takeaway products from today's video. Do let me know if you have any doubts or any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.